Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did the simple stiletto smoky quartz slash marble type of nails. They were super simple, super quick. So I am just going to start off like normal and use my cuticle remover. And then I'm going to push back my cuticles and prep my natural nail with my sanding band and cuticle bit. And this was right after a soak off, so there is some remaining extend gel on my natural nails, but I don't try to remove all of that if I'm going to be going right back in with another set because it doesn't make any sense. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you fuss it up, didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Alright, after I'm done prepping the natural nail, I'm just going to go in and dust them off and then wipe them off with a brush and some alcohol. And then I am going to be using the press-on gel by Nail Couture today. This is super cute packaging. It worked well for my nails. I don't know that I'll use it on clients, so I'll probably just keep using extend gel. But like I've mentioned in previous videos, whenever I do my own nails, I just use whatever additional products I have left. But I am going to apply that the same way at a 45-degree angle, pressing down until the extend gel reaches the free edge, and then cure with my XVX hands-free lamp. And today I did not go in with any primer or any gel on my natural nail either. I just went straight in with the tip. But for clients, I always use dehydrated primer as well as a coat of extend gel on the natural nail if it is after a soak off, just so that natural nail surface is more cohesive and more, I guess, less lumpy, since some extend gel, like I said, might still be remaining on the natural nail. Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you fuss it up, didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Right after all of the nails are applied, I put them in the full-size lamp for the full time, and then I'm just filing them into shape. After that, I'm going to go in with my sanding band again just to rough up the surface before I apply polish. And then I'll go in with my cuticle bit just to seal the cuticle. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. All right, and after the nails are fully cured, I'm just going to dust them off and then wipe them with some acetone. And then I'm going in with Madam Glam's Perfect White, and I'm just making random lines. I usually make between 2 and 3 per nail. And then I'm just going to take a flat brush like you see here and dip it into acetone and then just kind of feather out those lines to create the marble. And then I'm going to cure that for the full time. And here, for some reason, I have a clip missing, but all I did was paint the nails with one coat of the Raya's Nails. It is a milky white, but it has like a hint of lavender to it in person. It's color 111, and I will link that down below. And then after I polished all the nails with that color, I'm just going in with some more white as well as some gold, and then feathering that out again. And then I'm going to cure it for the full time. All right, now after that second layer of marble is cured, I'm going in with one more layer of the Raya's Nails Milky White polish, and then I'm going to cure that for the full time. You go, you know how I've been living without you. Now to finish it off, I'm just going in with my favorite top coat by Not Polished called Gloss It. Gonna apply that, cure it for the full time, and then just perfect my shape a little bit with my file one more time. And then these nails are all done. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like I said in the beginning, these are super quick and easy set of nails, but they are very cute. Another variation of my rose quartz nails, but they're super simple. I don't know if you want to call them smoky nails, quartz nails, but super cute, I think. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Touch.